Welcome. If you want to update your bio on X, formerly known as Twitter, from your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you can refresh your profile and let the world know what's new about you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Find your profile icon or your name and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your personal details are displayed. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top right of your profile section. Click on it and your profile will switch to edit mode, allowing you to make changes to various sections, including your bio. Now, find the bio field. It's typically right below your display name and username. Click into the bio area and you can start typing your new bio. Remember, X bios have a character limit of 160, so keep your update short and to the point. You can add a touch of personality, share your interests, or include a link. Just make sure it fits within the limit. Once you've finished updating your bio, look for the Save button, usually at the top right corner of the Edit section. Click Save to apply your changes. Your new bio will be instantly visible on your profile for everyone to see. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've refreshed your X profile bio. Whether you're highlighting a new project, updating your interests, or just adding a bit more personality, your profile is now up to date. Thanks for watching and enjoy expressing yourself on X.